Hello dear students, welcome to the beginning of MSQ series. From today, the MSQ series has been started for civil and mechanical champions both. In this series guys, every day a subject is taken and the MSQ questions for the complete subjects will be done. Okay, today is 10th of material, then for civil and mechanical the other subjects will also be coming. So today me and Dheeraj sir will be taking some super duper questions of MSQ. Before going further, just let me tell you guys quickly that this session between me and Dheeraj sir, me and Rakesh sir will be today at 9:15 p.m. What is more important, technical on maths and aptitude? And this is the civil versus mechanical series going on the app at 5 p.m. where the 4 gifts will be given every day at 5 p.m. Today Dheeraj sir sessions were there on app, tomorrow 5 p.m. on app. I will be taking shear test. 4 gifts will be there, and plus the students who are the 4 winners there will be in our personal guidance. Me and Dheeraj sir will be making a WhatsApp group with those 4 students for the up to 2024.
Guys, even if you have not joined yet, you can join because the minimum required session to get the gift are 4.
Yes,
so
yes.
Still you are in the race.
Every day 5 p.m. This is a session I'll be coming tomorrow. How the pillars are made on this, and this is the schedule of MSQ series. Now this is, see, me and Dheeraj sir are taking SOM. The next day will be Richa ma'am for environment, then soil mechanics, then hydrology. Every subject will be done, guys. And why it is very important? Because guys, there is no test book of MSQ available till now. Now this is the schedule for mechanical. Today me and Dheeraj sir are taking SOM, then Vipin sir will be taking thermal, then Chandrasekhar sir will be taking ST, then Suraj sir will be industrial. So every subject of mechanical will also be done. Okay, and guys, yes, Dheeraj sir, the biggest surprise of 2024 is yet to be announced.
And
we'll
guys,
announce
be ready for that.
12th August.
12th August. And guys, this is something which will make you prepare more than 25% just on the weekends before your exam, and it is for free. It is available on YouTube. Only by coming for some hours on the weekends, you are going to get your 25% preparation, or more than that is going to be done. And only with us, there is no need to go anywhere else. The surprise will be coming on 12th of August. Don't miss this because it is going to be the biggest surprise of this year.
Okay guys, so don't miss. From 12th of August we'll be revealing the surprise, and from 13th and 14th this surprise will be coming. Okay, now guys, me and Dheeraj sir will be taking the questions. So let me take couple of questions, question number 1 and question number 2, and then Dheeraj sir will be coming with super duper question, MSQ question right now in front of you guys. Everybody please let me know your answers on the comment section, guys. Come on, jaldi se take your copy and pen along with you so that you can give me answer the faster. Okay, if somebody is like this on the bed and watching the session, guys, please take the most advantage. थोड़ा पेन कॉपी चला लो भैया. चलो कुछ ऐसा दे रखा है. ये बहुत इधर जा रहा है क्या? बहुत इधर जा रहा है. चलो ठीक है, दिख रहा है. और हमसे पूछा कि which of the following is correct. So if I draw the free body diagram, this is A. Okay, this is B, and in this B, this P load is acting. Okay, sir, got it, sir. This is C here. Okay, this is B here. Now, if it is touched by a roller support, so here will be the reaction, and this will be equal and opposite here. This will be equal and opposite here. This is the R. Now, as both of them are jointed, like this. So if it is going down, then my right hand, my left hand is going by the same amount. Okay, they are joined by the roller here. Okay, like this. Okay, now if they are going down, then my both hands are going down by the same amount. If they are going down, then my both hands are going by the same amount, guys. Okay, catch it, Dheeraj sir. Dheeraj sir ne catch pakad liya. Now, the deflection of both will be same. So deflection of here will be P minus R, the distance L cube, that is 3A ka whole cube by 3EI. Okay. And the deflection here will be RL cube, that is 2A ka whole cube by 3EI. Now from solving here, the R value is how much? The R value is 27P by 35. 27P by 35. That is option number. कौन सा है? Option number 27. when P by 35 this is. Now deflection of the roller support at B. Now put R here or here. Both are equal to sign. Either put here or here. Either put here. You will be getting the B option. You will be quoting the B option. Give me yes or no in the comment box, guys. Have you enjoyed this question? Everyone tell me. Everyone tell me. Okay, let me drink the water that Dheeraj sir has catch. Dive catch. चलो चलो मजा आया क्या every day guys me and Dheeraj sir are taking complete SOM at 5 p.m. complete SOM in terms of numerical of every chapter, civil versus mechanical war, and here the MSQ series will be going on for civil plus mechanical both. All the students, guys, let me tell you, yesterday the result of engineering services come, and today we have posted the video on the home section. Although that video was for 2022 form, for 2023 also we are coming. Excellent path. Let us move to the second question. Let us move to the second question, guys. Giving you just 30 seconds. 30 seconds में उड़ा दो question. 30 seconds में उड़ा दो. Everyone, उड़ा दो भैया, उड़ा दो. Okay. Now, if y is the deflection of elastic curve, there is some beam and y is the equation of elastic curve, theta is dy by dx, okay? Then which of the following statements are correct? Which of the following statements are correct? Okay. उड़ाओ. चलो भाई. Now, if y is the deflected curve, then this is the delta, then dy by dx is slope, and d2y by dx2 is m by ei. So from here, what is m? M is ei d2y by dx2. Beautiful question. So it is ei, y का 2 बार differentiation. ei, y का 2 बार differentiation. So B is absolutely correct. That means A will not be correct. Okay. Now, if it, what is m? What is shear force? Shear force will be again dm by dx. dm by dx. Shear force will be dm by dx. So dm by dx means one time more differentiation. That is ei y triple dash. What is load intensity? Load intensity is dy by dx. Load intensity is dy by dx, differentiating with respect to x one more time. So ei y, what 3 differentiation, 1 2 3, one more differentiation. So ei 4 differentiation, and this y dash is 1 times differentiation. Y का 4 dash means 4 times differentiation. So B C D, A B D होता तो डिविलर्स बन जाता. A B D क्या बोल रहा हूँ यार मैं अभी आज. Okay, just kidding, guys. Have you enjoyed this question? Have you enjoyed this question? Now, okay. Now Dheeraj sir will be coming. Okay. Now Dheeraj sir will be, sir ये मैं पहले आप मेरे से ले लीजिए. साइड में जाके इसको ऐसे करके पहन लीजिए सर वैसे. Okay. Now Dheeraj sir will be coming with super duper question, guys. MSQ series every day on this channel. And this is the schedule, okay, for civil every day, 9th August, 10th August, 11th August, 12th August, complete schedule already posted on Telegram. Similarly for mechanical also, every day mechanical will be there, and surprise will be on 12th of August. Okay, sir, आपकी PPT कहाँ है?
Yes, sir. I have this.
Yes.
So guys, I have made a 50 questions MSQ sheet for you, out of which 5 to 7 I will share here. Then Abhinav sir would be continuing with this question, and this sheet will be shared to you. So I have made it because I know MSQ sources are not available with you. So I have specially designed last night 50 questions for you. So guys, that sheet would be shared to you on my and Abhinav sir's Telegram channel. Okay. So just let us solve 5 to 7 questions, and the rest you will get. Okay. So let us see. Abhinav sir would be joining after 5-7 minutes. Let us see 5-7 questions here. This is related to stress strain diagram. I have made majorly conceptual questions because students shared that sir, we are facing issues in the MSQ which are related to concepts rather than numerical. So taking that into account, I have made out of 50, 30 questions are theoretical and 20 questions are numerical. So Vinod is saying ACD. The question is related to the stress strain diagram. So they are asking about stress strain diagram. The first option is mild steel shows 2 yield point. Upper yield point is the real yield point. Proof stress is alternate to the yield strength. Lower yield point is the real yield point. So what do you feel out of 4? So guys, wonderful, wonderful. Alekia saying ACD, Parth saying ACD, Kiran saying ACD, Abhishek Thakur. Okay, what is your answer, Abhishek? So guys, majority I am getting the answers as ACD. Let us see whether they are correct or not. The first answer is mild steel shows 2 yield point. I would like to say, my dear, in this universe, mild steel is the only material which shows 2 yield point. There is no other material which shows 2 yield point. So guys, that is why A is correct. Second is upper yield point is real yield point. No, upper yield point is not at all the real yield point. Why it is? Because, my dear, when we talk about upper yield point, it changes when you change the machine. It changes when you change the component. It changes with the environmental condition. And guys, property is independent of all these factors. That is why B is going to be a wrong answer. Then, my dear, proof stress is defined for those material only which do not show a clear yield point. That is why proof stress is an artificial yield strength for the material which do not show the clear yield point. So that is why C is correct. And guys, lower yield point, yes, it is the real yield point. And whenever you say the yield stress SYT, that is corresponding to the lower yield point only, because that is the real yield point of the material. So guys, moving to the second question, it is related to the properties. So sir have taken majorly numericals, I have taken conceptual question. Guys, everybody want these questions for practice or not? Please tell me. I have made myself 50 questions. I have written by my hands, and in the morning they have been typed. So 50 questions, out of which 5-7 I will be doing in the class. Rest I will share with you with the answers. So don't worry about that. Okay. So guys, on my Telegram channel and on Abhinav sir's Telegram channel, mine is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. So this is second question, guys. Cast iron is more elastic than mild steel. Then mild steel is more ductile than cast iron. Then Young's modulus is the indication of ductility, and Young's modulus is indication of rigidity. What do you feel, guys? So Alekia saying B and D. What about others? So guys, what about others? Everybody need to answer it. And guys, do like and share the session. These are the wonderful questions which will make you prepare. Okay, I will help you. This is the stress strain diagram for mild steel, and this is the stress strain diagram for cast iron. So guys, this is the stress strain diagram for cast iron, and if you want to superimpose them, I would like to say this is for mild steel, and for cast iron I will be showing with the different color. It is going to be like this. So you can see, my dear, this is the slope of cast iron, this is the slope of mild steel. That will give you some idea about the answer. We know this saying B and D, Alekia saying B and D. So first of all, my dear, we will see that cast iron, is it more elastic than the mild steel? So I would like to say, my dear, which material is more elastic, which is less elastic? It is given by their elastic region. It is given by their elastic region. Okay, if I ask you sigma is E times epsilon, can you tell me, is it valid in elastic region or plastic region? When we are talking about the Hooke's law, is it valid in elastic region or plastic region? Sigma is E times epsilon, that is Hooke's law. Is it valid in elastic region or plastic region? Please tell me that. Is it valid in elastic region or plastic region? Please tell me that. Is it valid in elastic region or plastic region? Please tell me that. It is valid in elastic region. You are aware that delta is going to be PL upon AE. You know that from this formula you will be getting delta is PL upon AE. And if E is going to be more, then this deformation will be lesser. So my dear, if that is the case, if we are going to consider the same load, then my dear, if E is going to be more, delta is going to be lesser. So my dear, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? I would like to say, for mild steel, when we find out the Young's modulus, it is coming out to be 210. And when we talk about the cast iron, it is coming approximately half of the mild steel. So it means Young's modulus would be lesser lesser, it is going to be lesser for the cast iron. And my dear, if we are talking about the lesser, so obviously the deformation will be more. And if elastic deformation is going to be more, we will say cast iron is more elastic than the mild steel. So my dear, generally students have doubt here. My dear, elastic deformation cast iron is showing more. Even if you compare low carbon steel, medium carbon steel, high carbon steel, you will see this is for low carbon steel, this is for medium carbon steel, this is for high carbon steel. You can see the elastic deformation is more for medium carbon steel, even more for high carbon steel. So my dear, whenever we are talking about cast iron, it is more elastic than that of the mild steel. And when you talk about ductility, ductility is shown by the plastic deformation. Like this is going to be the plastic deformation. So plastic deformation is more for the mild steel or more for the low carbon steel. So I would like to say, my dear, yes, cast iron is more elastic than mild steel, and mild steel is more ductile than cast iron, because plastic deformation is shown by mild steel and elastic deformation is shown by cast iron more. Then my dear, Young's modulus is the indication of ductility? No, because Young's modulus we are not defining in the plastic region, whereas ductility means the permanent deformation only. So that is why C is wrong. Young's modulus is indication of rigidity. Yes, you say E into I as the rigidity, you say E into A as the rigidity. This is axial rigidity, this is flexural rigidity. So if E is going to be more, rigidity will be more. Arey bhai, if you are going to have this slope of the curve to be more, you know that Young's modulus is defined as stress but a strain. That is nothing but, if this angle is theta, Young's modulus is nothing but the tangent theta. So my dear, if this theta is going to be more, tangent theta will be more, Young's modulus will be more. More theta means curve will be going to the y-axis. At y-axis, what is the value of strain? At y-axis, what is the value of x? Can you tell me at y-axis what is the value of x? At y-axis, what is the value of x? At y-axis, what is the value of x? Guys, please answer it. My dear, at y-axis, what will be the value of x? What do you feel? At y-axis, what is the value of x? Anybody? Abhishek, Parth, Alekya, Vinod? Yes, yes, yes. What is the value of x on y-axis? Is it 0? Is it 0? So my dear, if on y-axis you are going to say that x is 0, so on stress axis strain is going to be 0. So if on x-axis strain is going to be 0, what do you mean by that? It is, the body is going to be rigid. So my dear, that is why Young's modulus is the indication of rigidity. If Young's modulus will be more, then my dear, body will be moving towards rigidity, as it is going to take the body towards y-axis. Okay, so moving to the next question. After that question, Abhinav sir would be joining us. So guys, next question is, okay, let me take some other question now, because otherwise you will be saying sir is taking all the theoretical questions. So this is also theoretical, but I feel this is related to the principal stresses. So in plane, tau max is given by sigma 1 plus 2 by 2. In plane, tau max is given by sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. Normal stress at the plane of maximum shear is 0. Normal stress at the plane of zero shear is maximum or minimum. Which out of 4 are correct? Yes. So guys, you will be getting this PDF with 50 questions which I have made for you. You will not find these questions in any of the book, because they are hand-picked questions, they are made questions. Yes, yes, yes. So Parth is saying B and D are the right answers. Kiran is saying B and D. Okay.
Who is Papa ka pagle son?
Papa ka pagal beta. Okay. So BD. Vinod is saying BD. Alekya, what do you feel? What should be the answer? So guys, if we see the tau max value. So yes, tau max is given as sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2. That's why B is correct. And that's why A is wrong. Then my dear, we are talking about normal stress at the plane of maximum shear. So my dear, always remember normal stress at the plane of maximum shear is given by sigma xx plus sigma yy by 2. Or you can write it as sigma 1 plus sigma 2 by 2. So my dear, always it cannot be 0. It will be depending on, it will be 0 only when the center of the Mohr circle is going to the origin. So C is wrong. And when we talk about normal stress at plane of zero shear, yes, they are said to be principal planes, and at principal planes, no doubt that the normal stresses are either maximum or minimum. So you guys are correct. So guys, that's correct. The answer is going to be B and D. Now I will once again invite Abhinav sir. Sir, please continue the session. I have class from 9 p.m.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
PPT. Okay. Biggest surprise.
DJ sir, mic.
Yes.
So guys, if you have not joined Telegram, do join it. I will share the PDF in the night.
Okay, guys, now the question is in front of you in the board. The question is in front of you in the board. Please let me know the correct answer. This is the conjugate beam. What will be the real beam? This is the conjugate beam. What will be the real beam? Let me make it little side so that it is okay like this. It is fine. This is the diagram of the conjugate beam. In real beam, the free end is the fixed end. Okay. In the real beam, the free end is the fixed end. Okay, like this, and the fixed end is the free end, like this. Okay, and the UDL will be like acting on this. UDL will be acting on this. Why I know this? Because here if I draw the M by E bending moment diagram, then bending moment diagram will be like this, and whatever is the M diagram, M by EI diagram, that will be the loading diagram here. Okay, so the real beam consists of a cantilever with a uniformly varying load with 0 at free end to W, not it will be, why varying? It will be a UDL, uniformly distributed load, A. Because when loading is UDL, constant, that is 0 degree, SFD will be 1 degree and BMD is 2 degree. So this is the 2 degree. Whatever is the BMD, that is the loading diagram in conjugate beam. Nah? Whatever is the BMD here in real beam, that is the BMD. Okay. Now for this UDL, the slope at the free end is WL cube by 6CI and deflection is WL4 by 8EI. So correct answer will be A and C. The correct answer will be A and C. Let me again remind you, every day MSQ series will be going on for civil and mechanical both. Okay, in the YouTube channel only. And if you want to join on app, then 5 p.m. it is going on. Okay, now, this is the question, guys. I want to check that who can do this. Okay, the stress strain graph is given. The stress strain graph is given. And from here, it is asked with the help of the hypothetical engineering stress strain curve. The resilience is asked and the toughness. The resilience is asked. What is the resilience? What is resilience? Resilience is the area of stress strain up to elastic limit. Okay, so what is the elastic limit? A is the elastic limit and this is the elastic limit. So area this. So area this is half, that is a triangle. Base if you write 0.15, so galat ho jayega. It will be wrong because this is in percentage. So you have to multiply by 0.15 by 100 into height. Height is 120. This is megapascal. Height is 120. It will be megapascal. So from here, guys, in megajoule, are you getting the answer as A? Are you getting the answer as A? Toughness whose curve calculation lengthy. And what is the toughness? What is toughness? Area, total area. So this triangle plus these trapeziums plus this also plus this trapezium also, that will be the toughness, and that value is coming out to be 1.14. That is C option. Okay, let us move to the next question now. Question number 5. Take it as homework. Because same question we have done. Now this one. This you can do. I'm quite sure that you will be able to do this. Everyone give an attempt and let me know answer. Let me know the answer of this question. The figure is given. Coordinates of center is how much? Show me your answers on the comment box. Everyone guys, let me be little side. I want to check your answers. Come on. Coordinate of center बताओ. जल्दी से. sigma x plus sigma y by 2 comma 0, sigma x plus sigma y by 2 comma 0. So 200 and sigma y is minus 100 compression. So 200 minus 100 by 2, it will be 50 comma 0. So that will be B option. Okay, चलो आगे भी बताओ. B आ रहा है क्या? Coordinates of center of Mohr circle sigma x plus sigma y2, 200 minus 100, 150 comma 0. Yes. चलो आगे भी पूछा है, आगे भी पूछा है भाई. क्या पूछा? रेडियस. रेडियस क्या होता है? Sigma 1 minus sigma by 2. As here there is no shear stress, so these are the principal stresses. Sangram, good. So sigma 1 is 200 minus sigma 2, that is compression, minus 100 by 2. So this is the radius 3 and 150. So 150, C option. Now maximum shear stress is 150 and the plane on which is 45 degree with, of course here. This is the Mohr circle with center 50 comma 0 and this is the tau max, and from maximum principal stress it is anti-clockwise 90 degree. So in real life it is 90 degree, so in actual it will be 45 degree because Mohr circle every angle is represented as twice. So it will be BCD. BCD. Everyone did this? Everyone did this? Everyone did this? Everyone, have you done this? Should we move to... Should we move to the next question? Yes. This is now typical. This is now typical. Let me check that who can do this. Let me check that who can do this. I will give you enough time to solve this. I will give you enough time to solve this. Okay, okay. First of all, find out the neutral axis. Okay, so let the neutral axis from top is at y bar distance. This is y bar distance of neutral axis from top. So neutral axis is the centroidal axis. So this is A1 y1 bar. Centroid is found out like this. Centroid is found out by like this. A1 y1 bar plus A2 y2 bar upon A1 plus A2. Correct? Now what is A1? Above area is 200 into 50. 200 into 50. Now the y bar of this is at 25 plus A2. A2 is 50 into this distance. 50 into 200. 50 into 200. This is 50 and that is 200. And center of mass of from this 50 plus 100. It is 150 upon A1 plus A2. 200 into 50 plus 50 into 200. Tell me what is the answer coming? Tell me, is it coming 87.5 mm from top? Is it coming 87.5 mm from top? This distance is 87.5 mm from top. Okay, please check. Please check. Then if you find I, moment of inertia about neutral axis, that will be BDQ by 12 of this. That is 200 into 50 cube by 12, but we have to shift it to here na. We have to shift it to here because we want to, for this is the moment of inertia about this axis. So we have to shift it here, plus area into h square, the parallel axis theorem. So area is 200 into 50 into the distance square. So what is this distance? From here to here, from here to here, that is 87.5 minus 25. Please check. This is 87.5 minus 25, 200 into 50 cube by 12. It is 200 into 50 cube by 12. Please tell me. 87.5 minus 25. Yes. कितना आ रहा है? Into 87.5 is this distance, that is 25. Area into h square. This is of the flange plus web. So web का अपना कितना है BD cube by 12. So 50 into 200 cube by 12. But this is about the distance from here, which is 100 meter. This is from here 100 meter. So what is this distance? What is this distance? That is area into h square. 50 into 200. 50 into 200 into this distance. What is this distance? This is total 200. So this will be 50. Okay. So what is this distance? This is 50. No, this is 100. That is 87.5. So from here, that is 87.5 minus 50. That is 27.5. That is 27.5. And this will be 100. This will be 100. So 100 minus 27.5 whole square. 100 minus 27.5 whole square. Please check. 100 minus 27.5 whole square. What is the answer you are getting? What is the answer you are getting? Can you please let me know? Can you please 11.354 into 10 की power 7? 11.354 into 10 की power 7. Yes, it is a calculative question. Same type of question has been asked in civil engineering in GATE 2023. Same type of question has been asked in the GATE 2023. Now the moment of inertia is done, so A is correct, so C will be wrong. Now the maximum permissible spacing is required. So for this, first of all, we'll find shear stress per unit length. That is shear flow. SAY bar by I. This is found for this region. This is found for this region. Okay, what? Because nail is connecting that region with the web. So what is the shear force? What is 3 kilonewton? So 3000 into area. Area is 200 into 50. And what is the Y bar? What is the Y bar of this? Okay, Y bar of this portion. This is connecting this, na? So what is the above that? The distance above area center of mass from neutral axis. Above area center of mass from neutral axis. 87.5 minus 25, na? 87.5 minus 25. How much it is? 62.5. Please check. Please check. Yes. 62.5 into I we have already calculated. This value is coming 16.15514. 16.514 Newton per meter. So what should be a spacing? क्या होना चाहिए? Question level high. Okay, अभिषेक ज़्यादा हाई हो गया. संग्राम क्या होना चाहिए? I didn't get it. Question is long. Okay. So you are also be tough commandos, na? So spacing is, what is the permissible? Allowable 700 divided by 16.514. So how much is coming? 42.4 is coming. Please check. AD. This is the level of question, guys. ये होता है level जो इस चैनल पे आपको कराया जाता है. This is the level of question that is done in question. Not like Tuchu Muchu question. This is the real question. Any doubt you can ask me. Any doubt you can ask me, guys. I'm ready for any kind of doubt. Okay, guys, there is no any different planning for MSQ questions. Same concepts are required. But you have to check. See, MCQ question only neutral axis will be asked or only spacing will be asked. So this is the level of question, guys. MSQ has no different strategy. That is the correct thing, guys. No different strategy. NAT, MCQ, MSQ, anything has no different strategy. Only the concepts will be required, guys. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is the question, guys. Do this. A simply supported beam of length 4 meter is subjected to uniformly distributed load over the whole span. This is a simply supported beam of length 4 meter. Now there is a uniformly distributed load of 30 kilonewton per meter over the whole span. This is deflected 15 mm at the center. So deflection here is 15 mm. Then the correct statements are, tell me the answer. This you can do. This you can do. Chalo. Chalo. Delta of center of a simply supported beam. Delta of center of a simply supported beam is 5WL4 by 384 EI. Correct? Delta is known. W is known. Length is known 4 meter. From here you will get EI. Please check the EI value you will be getting as 2 by 3 into 10 की power 4 kilonewton meter square. Everything is known. Only EI was not there. So you will be getting A option. Okay. चलो आगे क्या पूछा है? Crippling load. PCR is equal to pi square EI upon L effective score, although there is N square also, but if nothing is mentioned, N is 1. Pi is known, EI is known. What is L effective? One is fixed and another is hinged. In that case, what is L effective? When one is fixed, one is hinged. What is L effective? L by root 2. L effective is L by root 2. Now it is column, guys. So now this is made like column. The same beam is made like column. So L effective is L by root 2, but one is fixed. Now end is fixed. So L is 4 meter. If you put here, the value you will be getting as 8224.5. 8224.5. That is B option. Okay. Now for a factor of safety 3, multiply this by 3. Multiply this by 3. So it will be D option. So A, B, D Villas. A, B, D. A, B, D. Have you got it? Have you got it? Please let me know. Please let me know. Please let me know, friends. All of you. All of you. Any doubt? ABD 360. ABD 360 is someone is saying. Okay. So guys, this is my Telegram group, Civil by Banav sir. This me and Rakesh sir are taking a super duper session just after 4 minutes. Just after 4 minutes, the technical and maths and aptitude, which is more important. Okay. Civil versus mechanical war, where 4 gifts will be awarded. That will be tomorrow 5 PM now. This will be tomorrow, guys. And this is the schedule of MCQ and MSQ. We have expressed this in the Telegram group. Now, biggest surprise is yet to come. That will be revealed on 12th of August. That will be revealed. Okay, this is Dheeraj sir PPT, na? This is Dheeraj sir PPT. Okay. So this, how many questions you have done here? Okay, so this will give in the. Okay, this is. Okay. So guys, kahan gaya? Biggest surprise is yet to come on 12th of August. And this is the schedule. You can take the screenshot. Otherwise, we have put it in Telegram groups also. Okay, and this will be tomorrow night, 11:15 PM. And this is this, and this we are coming at after just 2-3 minutes in this only. Please let us know about the Telegram. This is Civil by Abhinav sir, na? Telegram channel. Civil by Abhinav sir. Okay. So guys, thank you. We hope you enjoyed these questions. Thank you all. Take care. What more types of session you want in this channel, please let us know on the comment section. Thank you all. Take care.